Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Reporter plugin on a Bitnami stack Redmine installed on Linux operating system. So, the very first thing that you have to do is to just download the very latest Reporter plugin version from your license manager if you use a pro version. However, if you would like to use the light free version of the plugin, you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and then you have to go to the plugin section and scroll down to the Reporter. Sorry for the mistake, actually there is no light free version of the Reporter plugin, so this is only a licensed version. Okay, so when you get the file from your license manager, the very first thing that you have to do is to just extract it. So you have to go into the inner folder here and then copy it. Afterward, you have to go to your Bitnami Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 4117, and then go to the apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs. Here you have to find the plugins folder, and here please paste it. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is to go back to your core Redmine folder and find the manage Linux file. This is a run file. Just double click on it. Afterward, you have to click here and start these processes. There is start all button. So you start the MySQL database as well the web server. So this is basically the Redmine Bitnami stack. Okay, so we have running processes now, and now we are going to test it if everything is running fine. So we access our Redmine. Just wait a little bit because it is just started now for the first time, and it is going to take a couple of seconds. So a little bit more time and it is going to start. Okay, so we have our Redmine started, and now we go to administration and plugins or information just to check what is the current plugins list. So these are our plugins now, and we are going to install the Reporter plugin. So the next step that we have to do is to open our command line and then navigate to our core Redmine folder, and here you have to execute the use Redmine file. This is a very important step. It is going to be done with /use Redmine. Okay, so we are now into Redmine. Now we have to go to directory core Redmine folder and then app Redmine htdocs. Here we have to execute the bundle install command. This command is going to install the required gems for our Reporter plugin. So the next thing that we have to do is to sorry, just a couple of seconds. Okay, we have to do our migration. That is going to be done with this command, and here the very important thing is that in the name section you have to set the plugin's name, which in our case is Redmine/Reporter. So the migration is being in process now. And we are done. Our migration is just finished. Okay, so the very last step that we have to do is to just restart these processes. There is a restart all button, you click on it, and the MySQL database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. We wait a couple of seconds and it is almost done. So yeah, the processes are now restarted and we are going to double check on our Redmine if everything is fine. So we restart our page here. It will also going to take a couple of seconds because the Redmine is just being restarted. So we see that the Reporter plugin has just come up. We have successfully installed it on our Bitnami stack Redmine on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.